hospital premises pre-COVID and during the initial pandemic phase of the COVID-19. Respected Director Personnel, Sri Kishida, my colleague EDs from HR, Mr. Balaji, Mr. R.P. Rao, from Medical Fraternity, Mr. Madhusudan, and my other dignitaries in the dais, Dr. Samala and the Dr. Raghunath Rao, the expert, he has joined us. And then my colleagues from the medical fraternity, other doctors who are available. Of course, many of the doctors are not able to recognize them because they are covered with the mask. I think whomever I have recognized, I think Dr. M. Srinivas, Dr. E.M.T. Srinivas, who are there, Dr. Srihari, Dr. Sarangi, Dr. Navi, I think all others who are Dr. Hansi, Dr. Yes, Dr. Shanti Priya, and many of the other doctors who are there and other colleagues from the medical department. IT department, I don't know, some people I have seen in the IT department. Smita is there, yeah. IT department, my colleagues. And my other friends from I have left. And from the recognized union, other unions, Mr. Whitey Das, Mr. Sivan Salam, Mr. Rajsekar Mantri, Mr. Ayush Ram, Mr. Gandham Venkataraw, all others who are present here, and from SCST Association, Mr. Pediraju, and all other my colleagues who are there, other doctors, Dr. Ramara, whomever I can recognize. It is better to be safe than to be identified under the mask. We had a dream when I took over the medical department, taken by our doctors and medical team to improve the hospital. But there are some inherent problems which we could not overcome. Because of the change in the corporate hospital, advent of corporate hospitals and other facilities which are being provided from time to time here in the near vicinity, we had the problem which we were not able to recognize. The problem is, for example, we were finding it difficult even to get a radiologist. We are finding it difficult even to get an anesthetist. And even if we try our best, like for example, I was trying to tell, even if you get a radiologist also, the facilities which we are able to provide, the person will not be able to join because he feels that he is wasting his talent. All these things put together, we had a big problem what to do. It took some time, that is what I am telling, it took some time for us to know what to do and what not to do. Now, yes, I see Dr. Markul also, I can see now, yes. So, these are the problems we needed to address. Otherwise, I was worried that slowly we were unknowingly, we are now converting ourselves or downgrading ourselves to something I used to call a dispensary, and anybody who will be coming and referring outside. That was not the aim when the hospital was established. So it is not that we will have a good number of RHOs or maybe some physicians or maybe not, only the normally general in the hospital ever wanted that, and neither they ever want it. But then these difficulties, how do we overcome? We have been thinking of whatever our strength is there, and if somebody else is having, another institution is having something else, why not we have a tie-up? It is not outsourcing. It occurred to us, why not we have an MOU with Homi Bhabha Cancer Hospital and Research Center. And I got the opportunity of having interaction with Dr. Raghunath Rao. His knowledge, his experience, in fact I was amazed. And again, we were in the process of following up, getting into MOU in phases, one by one we were trying to get it. So one day Dr. Sarangi came and told me that Dr. Raghunath Rao will be retiring from the services of Homi Bhabha shortly. Then immediately it occurred to us that why not can we not approach him if he can join us? Because that will be very, if he can find some time, then I will be talking to him. Then he has spoken to him, and I am happy that by the time I spoke to him, he immediately showed his willingness that he will be joining. That was a great honor to us. In fact, I must say, queue of other corporate hospitals or the cancer hospitals, they were making a queue to take his services and utilizing his services after his retirement. And whatever they were must be offering, and what we can offer in our public sector setup is peanut. Even then also, he has committed and his right to his word, true to his word, he honored his commitment and joined us. Now joining us is not, it is just a beginning. And every one of us will feel guilty if we are not using his talent and his knowledge. He will demand how long he will be there if we are not able to make use of his expertise. So that is the reason why we thinking of he has started. He has a lot of ideas. When chairman was there, that person was there, he had a lot of ideas. Only we have to facilitate, see that his ideas, his dreams come true and make it happen. That is the question which we should support each other in making full use of his expertise. He is prepared to do everything. The day one he has joined, he says, why can't we have chemotherapy here? I was pursuing with my medical administration that what are the go, talk to him, what are these, he is here, and the facilities which he or the support which he needs, if we can provide, then many of the things we can go ahead with that. And nearly 800 cancer patients are there with us as of now. I was asking him that 800 patients, if you compare with 18,000 manpower, and their family members, say 72,000 multiplied by 4, say 72,000 out of that 800, nearly 800 people, if they are having cancer problem, is it disproportionately high? Then he said, no, it is not disproportionately high, but what we are cancer, if somebody is detected with a cancer, you just see the mental trauma, the physical, other than the physical discomfort which somebody will be undergoing, and the company, the cost which company bears, and the long period of absence from the duty which affects the productivity, entire thing, the family is settled. With all those things, so obviously to early screening or identify or prevent, or rather identify at a much early stage, so that all these things which we come across and as a later part can be avoided. Now this is our responsibility to see that his expertise is used in slowly to prevent or to identify those the cancer much at an early stage. So definitely he will have ideas, he will tell us, and how soon we can provide that support to him so that we will go forward, it is up to us. With regard to the other facilities, similarly many other things we have, many other things we are slowly moving. CR system in the radiology department, every time imaging is getting affected, and in turn our employees also are getting affected, the quality also gets affected. So that's why that at one point of time we decided no, we will have to go for a new one, even though financially we were not in a better system or better friend. But nevertheless, for the hospital direction personnel, when I discussed, he has never hesitated to any support which we need for the medical department. He said yes, go ahead, and we have followed, and we got the financial complaint, we got the approval, and finally we procured, and it is there through a buyback system, so that we don't waste the old thing, and we got a new one. I'm happy to see the enthusiasm of the radiology department today, and to see that they are enthusiastic because the new thing has come and they will be running all full enthusiasm. Coming to other things, of course, I forgot to mention I think the medical committee team also is there. Welcome to them also. In fact, the last one, which Mr. Masudan has said, with regard to the online system. Initially, we had introduced the loan on, I was pursuing with that initially after initiating, and there were some problems we faced. Not because of the, in fact, I must say that IT department in the shortest possible time they had developed at that time, and with much under our pressure they have developed. In fact, though they were out. So after that, to overcome these difficulties took some time, but we have now started with the equal provision for those who can afford to go online registration, those who can offline registration, the slot booking, everything has been lined up. Let us hope that the experience will be good this time and we proceed. So these are the many other things. Dialysis, as you have said, that some of the dialysis, another unit is dialysis. We are pursuing the matter, so we can have it at our premises. That is what we must know. Otherwise, we must read how things are happening in the horizon, and then that we don't get obsolete. That is what I always feel. see the ITC company, you might have seen the ITC company when they knew maybe 15 years back that tobacco is going to be banned. One day or the other tobacco is going to be banned. ITC, Indian Tobacco Company, they changed the name from Indian Tobacco Company to ITC. They wanted to hide tobacco will not be there. They knew that is not the company, even the very cash rich company, they knew the diversification is necessary. Unless they do that, they will be out of the market, they will perish. And now see that what are the other products, what not there. Support, we should have a sort of what we call the MOU or the tie-up with reputed institutions like Homeo, etc. But we should go ahead with, and so that further and better facilities are always provided to the employees. Money will in every way constrained, even if the worst scenario, so far as the medical administration, medical department is concerned. With this, I thank you, Mr. Madhusudan and the medical department to give me an opportunity to express our views and great satisfaction for at least getting the special thanks to Director Personnel who within a short notice I requested and he has kindly agreed to come here. Thank you.
ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీకు తెలిసిన వారితో షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి వీడియోస్ మరిన్ని చూడటానికి మన ఛానల్కి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేసి ఆల్ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి.